Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change Windows language on Dell laptop. To this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the settings, enter time and the language, then go for language and region. Here you'll be able to find your Windows display language. You can click on the pop-up and switch between different language options. If you want to add more options, then click on Add Language. Make sure that you're connected to the internet. Then you'll be able to find all of the language options right here. Select whichever one you like, then click on the Next. And here you'll be able to download the specific packages for that language. The language pack, handwriting, and you can also enable it as your default Windows display language. When the language is downloaded and you still haven't noticed any change, make sure that you have that language set right here. Also set your country and region preferably to the language that you want to set. And the regional format also needs to be set as your default Windows language. Then we can navigate to administrative language settings, change your system locale right here, then choose the language you like, go for the format, and in the format select the same language as well. That way we can restart our PC probably multiple times, try it until everything has changed, because sometimes it will do it partially, so some of the things may stay in the previous language. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.